This thing I'm about to show you is the most dangerous device people install in building. It causes electrocution, electric shock, and it kills people. No. This is a big lie. This is a common misconception about this device called lightning arrestor, lightning rod, or lightning protection. Do you know when a lightning strikes, the flash discharges about 300 million volts and carries current of about 30,000 amps. In comparison, household volts is between 120 volts to 240 volts. It carries about 13 amps to 15 amps. This is a big disaster. A complete lightning protection is needed to prevent harmful electrical surge and possible fire caused by lightning. Lightning protection system and lightning termination device, or a lightning rod, simply intercept a lightning strike and provide a safe path, a safe and effective path that takes lightning abnormal current into the ground. So in a simple sentence and in other words, a lightning rod or a lightning arrestor helps protect a structure from a direct lightning strike. If your house or your home, your offices, if your building is not having one, get a lightning arrestor today. If you have learned something, please like and share this video. Don't forget to drop your comment, ask your question, follow for more.
Thank you.